Hey, what's going on, you guys? The Fiery Flame here. I lost one of my subscribers, guys. I'm not kidding. I actually lost one of my subscribers. I had 31 subscribers, then all of a sudden I now only have 30 subscribers. Come on, guys. Why are you unsubscribing from me? I'm a good YouTuber, guys. I need respect cuz I'm a good YouTuber. I just don't want hate. I don't want 0 subscribers. I want 10,000 subscribers. I now have only 30 subscribers, guys. Come on, guys. Seriously? I am very tired of this. I spent all that time making videos tonight, and then I only have 30 subscribers now. Really, guys? I mean, come on, guys. And if you're watching this right now, Fire Rage, then why don't you go ahead and tell that person, that person, then go ahead and tell that person that was my 31 subscriber to resubscribe to me, or I'm yeah, if you're watching this right now, Fire Rage, then go tell that person that unsubscribed to me that I need respect, Fire Rage. Please do it, Fire Rage, cause I would really appreciate it. But anyways, I think I'm gonna go now.